Freehand sketching. Okay, so these few points is remaining in the freehand sketching. So precedence of the line. What is that? In multiple view drawing, many times different line types will take up the same place. Therefore, we have line precedence that the following is an explanation of which line is exist over other. Okay, object line over hidden line and center line. Object line, the most important line is object line. Okay, because object line is very thick and it is visible anyway. Hidden line over center line, and if hidden line is there and center line also there, then center line is visible. Cut plain line over the center line. Okay, if center line is there and same things is from the center, we can cut the object, then the cut line is visible, more visible than center line. The following side will be show an example. See here. Center line, these are the object line. Center line, these are the object line. So see here, object line look precedence over the hidden line. Okay, so what happened here? If we look forward from the, forward from the where top, then what happened? What is that meaning? What is that meaning here? The meaning is this hole is created hidden line, but what happened? The diameter of the hole is exact equal to this slot, exact equal to this slot. So hidden line is covered by this slot line, that is visible. Okay, so hidden line is not visible due to the overlapping of this slotted line. Okay, see here, object line look precedence over the hidden line you would see from the hole. The center line is the top view, would show the depth of the hole as well as the right side view. See here, now this line, what happened? This is this slotted line and we can say this is object line. So what happened? Here center line must be presented. See, here center line must be presented, but what happened? Due to this slotted line, which is the object line, is cover the center line. Means object line is proceeded to the center line. So like this, precedence of line is happen. Precedence is line nothing but it is the, if two line present in a place, then which line we can present more visible than other. Okay, so object line is more preferable. If anywhere central line, hidden line or projected line is there and central object line also there, then we highlighted the object line. Okay, if hidden line or center line is there, then we object the center line, like that, which is given here. See, object line over hidden line and central line, hidden line over the central line, and cutting plane line over the center line. If center line and cutting plane line is overlapping, then we show the cutting line in place of the center line. Okay, like that. So these are the references where you get the more about the drawings. Okay, so this is the main things, not for only sketcher, this is for the any things you want to get. If you become a good engineer, if you become a good poet, if you become to good driver, then what do you think? Practice is more important. Practice make man perfect. Okay, so these things about the your freehand sketch. So I will share this slide to you today. And the next things we have to go through, because your 6 unit is finished today. Okay, all your unit is covered, but the lecture is remaining. So I can explain you different topics for your revision. Okay, so today we going to discuss about the orthographic projection. Why I choose this topic? The first question become why I choose this topic for the revision. Because orthographic projection is more important. Just wait. Okay, orthographic projection is more important than any other projections, because maximum orthographic projection is shown like this. So what happened here? You can observe that. Okay, see what happened. This is the way of top view and sorry front view, and your front view look like this. And here the I think some visualization problem is there. This is your front side and top view which is represented here. These are the all the things we previously discussed, that orthographic projection is the multi-view projection. Okay, because if talk about the isometric view, pictorial view, so what happened? These are a single view, but orthographic view is not a single view. This is the multi-view. Whatever the total 6 view is there: top view, bottom view, front view, rear view, and left hand side view, right hand side view. Okay, but out of these six, we choose minimum view to represent the maximum dimension of the object. Minimum view, choose the minimum view to represent the maximum or full dimension of the object. Okay, the minimum required view by which we can represent the all the dimension of the object, that is the orthographic projection. Out of 6, how many we can choose? We can choose one, like I show you in previous lecture: one view, two view, three view, like that. So projection is the method. So Drawing is, I already told you, drawing is most and very important subject in the field of design engineer. Okay, because you are the student of the mechanical engineer, then there is a lots of possibility or lots of area where you get the job. And design is a very good sector in the present criteria or present industrial criteria, because design is belong to research and development sector, because anything we want to produce, any product we want to produce, the products need basic fundamentals of design criteria, because of the dimensioning, shape, size, all the things is required before they are manufacturing. So before they are manufacturing, the CAD is take place role. So what is the CAD? CAD is computer aided design. Okay, and what is this CAD do? The CAD do same things which we going to study here by paper, pen and pencil and or other measuring device. Okay, all the things. But before going to computer, we have to understand and develop our vision view regarding to object. Okay, so what what is this? Say like what is this? Because the projection is very important. All the object which is present in verse, they release the some rays, and these rays represent on a screen, that is called projection. Okay, so orthographic projection means we assume that there is a object which is, there is a object which is release the rays perpendicular to the object, perpendicular to the object and parallel to the object. So we need to create the multi-view projection for the basic or conceptual understanding the size and shape of the product. So this is about the projection method. So see here, in this animated view, you can see how the plan view means top view, front view and side view, and how they look when we take a look from that sides. See again, so this is where we want to see that this is our plan view, our top view, front view and side view. Okay, The most important things when we going to proceed the orthographic view is that we have to imagine that our rays which we send from our eyes is perpendicular to the object, is perpendicular to the object. So this will be happen. Now what is that? Line of sight is an imaginary rays. See, line of sight is an imaginary rays of light between an observer eyes and the object. Okay, that is imaginary. So what happen here? If this part is imaginary, so there are two type of LOS, means line of sight. So parallel and converge. Parallel and converge. See, parallel projection. So what about the parallel projection? See here. Parallel rays, line of sight. See, parallel rays are assumed. Prospective projection. Prospective projection is need for the oblique view or isometric view. See here, like this. Means prospective projection. What happened? We the rays is the rays is end with a point. All the rays come from the corner and connect to a point. Okay, but in parallel projection, what happened? All the rays always parallel to each other. They are not intersect to each other at any point. Okay, so plane of projection, what is that? It is an imaginary flat which the image is created. It is an imaginary plane which the image is created. Okay, the image is produced by connecting the point where the LOS, line of sight, tries the projection on the plane. Means price the projection of plane means they can impact on the projection of the plane. Okay, so so these are the about the projection of the orthographic projection. So my screen is visible to all. So here you can observe that the most and basic important things is that you have to observe the object in the side of the observer. So here you can see, so here you can see how we can take the diagram from the observer direction. So here projection method. So as I told you earlier, projection method is based on the observer direction, and observer direction is a imaginary direction. Means what happened, we can imagine that from which side we observe or we look the object, line of sight is presented. So you go through this example. What happened in this example? See, plan are top view, front view, and side view. You can easily understand how they look and what are the observer look, where from the observer look. Okay, so next thing, important things is line of sight. So what is the line of sight? LOS. It is an imaginary rays of light between the observer eyes and the object. Observer eyes and the object. Okay, so there are two types of line of sight, parallel and converge. Parallel and converge. So what do you mean by the parallel? In the parallel line of sight, all the rays which is generated from the eyes of the observer is always parallel to each other, and in converge, what happened, the rays which is come through the object is meet at a point. So for example, see here parallel projection, what happened, see the rays, see these rays, what happened with these rays, these are parallel to each other. And in the perspective are converged projection, see what happened here, here is, see, here is object, so sorry, here is observer, so all the rays meet at the eyes of the observer, meet at the eyes of the observer. But what happened here, the line of sight is not meet at any point because they are parallel to each other. So the next things is plan of projection. So it is also a imaginary. Okay, so it is an imaginary flat which is the image is created, on which image is created. The image is produced by the connecting the point where the LOS precedes the projection plane. So what happened? What do you mean by process? Process means they can impact or connect with the plane where the object is created. Parallel projection, see here what happened. This is our plane of projection and these are the rays. These are the rays which is impact on the plane. See, so we get all the points on the projected plane. We get all the points on the projected plane, and now we draw the drawing. And this is about our prospective are converged. So what happened here? You see, we can put like this. So what is the difference between these two? In the parallel projection, we get the true dimension and shape of the object. But in the prospective projection, what happened here? We can the reduce size of the object. Shape is similar, but we can get the reduced size of the object. Okay, so this is about the plane of the projection. Disadvantage of the perspective projection or converged projection. Perspective projection is not used by engineer for manufacturing of the parts. See what happened? We can see the perspective projection here. This road length, you can observe this road length. If we are here, then the full width we can observe. But what happened here? The it's look like the road sides meet a point on this here. See here, it is the this much, and what happened here? See, here is a point, this is a point, so the two sides meet up point. That is not possible, it is only visual. Okay, so this is the disadvantage. Perspective projection is not used by the engineers for the manufacturing of the parts because first, it's difficult to create. It does not reveals exact shape and size. So we can't observe or think about the exact shape and size from this perspective projections. So width is destroyed. So what happened? How much the we go this side, our width is shorten and convert to a point. Width is destroyed. Now orthographic projection. So meaning orthographic projection is a parallel projection technique in which the parallel line is side are the perpendicular to the plane. Again, orthographic projection is a parallel projection techniques in which parallel line of side are perpendicular to the project plane. See, these things we already see here. See here. So there is a object and there is a projected plane in 2D, and this is about the 3D. This is about the 3D. See. Perpendicular to the plane. Perpendicular to project plane. Perpendicular to project plane. Here 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. Okay. So here 1 and 5 overlapping. 2, 3 and 4 overlapping. Okay, because we look from here. So this will be happen. Now these are the important notes. Here are the important notes about the orthographic view. Orthographic projection technique can produce either multi-view drawing, that each view show an object in two dimension. Axonometric view. Axonometric view. What is that? That show all three dimensions of an object in one view. So we also call this isometric view. Both drawing type both drawing types are used in technical drawing for the communication. Now what you see here, anoxometric or isometric, I told you both are the same. Anoxometric or isometric drawing. Advantage, easy to understand. Disadvantage, shape and angle destroyed. Means what happened? We can't see actual shape and angle, true shape and angle in the isometric view. So what happened? See here, this is circular hole become elliptical in the isometric view, and this is 90-degree means right angle, but right angle become absolute angle. Right angle become absolute angle. So what happened here? This is the disadvantage of the isometric view, but it is easy to understand. This is not truly 90-degree, but we can easily understand this is 90-degree. So this is about the advantage and disadvantage of the isometric view. So here what can we do? Multi-view. What is the advantage of multi-view? Is represent accurate shape and size. It's represent accurate shape and size. Disadvantage, require practice in writing and reading. Okay, so that is not a disadvantage, because if we want to become a good engineering drawing, good in engineering drawing, then practice and writing is must be required. Okay, so see here, this is our isometric view, and from this view we can get the front view, and this is the side view. This is our front view and this is our side view. Okay, why do these two sides? Because from these two sides we calculate or find out all the dimensions, so there is no need to make the third view. So what happened? The thickness of this and the length of this. Now if we go from this side, so this length is visible here, and we can see maximum dimension is calculated here. Okay. Now orthographic projection. It is a technical drawing in which different view of an object are projected on different reference plane observing observing perpendicular to the respective reference plane. Different reference plane are horizontal plane, vertical or frontal plane, side or profile plane, and different view are front view, top view and side view. Okay, these things about the orthographic projections. Now from here we can observe that this is our isometric view. Isometric view. So what happened? What is the front? From the front, this is our front view. These dimension must be 0. These dimension must be 0. So you can look this from the front, and this is the top, and this is the side. See, so all things we can represent on this paper. All the view we can represent on this paper. So you can clearly see that the isometric views, side view, L shaped, front view. So you can the front height and width here, height and width of the top. So it is from this you can understand how we going to solve the orthographic projection problem. Orthographic projection problem. So I can start today lecture here. Sorry, I can stop my today lecture here. So students, if you have any question, then you ask your question. Students, do you have any question? Okay, if there is no any question, then you may leave the classroom and join your next lecture. Thank you.